Okay, so got a machine. Very good. Now, grip stop. Apparently that just won't work. Even though there's not even water in it, it says that it can't go because drip stop. We can't let water go because we just can't let water go. Yeah, let me try and turn it off and on. Same problem. Let me try one more thing. Just completely unplugging the machine. Okay. So other than us having to redo the clock to pretty much now. Actually. Okay. Okay. What's the problem? Is it too little water? I can get to that. I don't think the water's a problem. I think it's the drip stop. I don't get it. Oh. Never mind. Now I can get it. Just have to trap every now and then. That's not it. What is it? That's not it. That's not it. This isn't the problem. That's not the problem. This is the problem. And I don't know why. I would like an explanation. You know what? Here. Just to clarify. Let's clarify what the problem isn't. Let me drain this out first. Nothing on there. Okay. I don't know where the problem is, but you should be able to test it. Is that the problem? No, because I've done it. Okay. One moment. Okay. Oh, it thinks it's like riveting. And now we put this capper on. Do put another toilet paper. I've been doing a coffee of errors the past couple of minutes. Okay. Now we play. Where's the problem?